UK holiday calculation for 0-hour contract. Workers on 0-hour contract in the UK are entitled to paid holiday just like full-time employees. The statutory minimum holiday entitlement is 5.6 weeks per year, which for 0-hour contract workers is calculated on a pro rata basis, depending on the hours they work. A simple method is to allocate 12.0% of the total hours worked as a holiday entitlement. These figures comes from dividing the statutory holiday of 5.6 weeks by 46.4 working weeks in a year, excluding holiday weeks. For example, if a 0-hour worker completes 30 hours in a week, their holiday entitlement is calculated as 30 hours multiplied by 12.0%, that is equal to 3.62 hours. Over time, the holiday hours added up and the workers can request take their holiday subject to the employer's approval. Holiday pay is based on the workers' average pay over the previous 52 weeks. This means that even if the worker has fluctuating hours, their holiday pay is calculated to reflect their average earnings. Employers cannot include holiday pay in the workers' hourly wages as this is not legal. Holiday entitlement is ensure that all workers, regardless of the contract type, have time off for rest and relaxation while receiving their compensation. We have uploaded more than 900 video in our YouTube channel, subject related to UK startup, business and tax.